In today's video, we're breaking down CodeDesign AI and how it can help you build, host, and export websites using AI. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever wanted to launch a website or landing page quickly, but felt stuck choosing templates, layouts, or builders that feel either too basic or too complicated, this video is for you. CodeDesign AI sits in an interesting middle ground. Instead of starting with a blank canvas or forcing you into rigid templates, it uses AI to generate structured, business-ready pages based on what you're trying to build, whether that's a landing page, a simple website, or a focused marketing page. This matters because most website tools fall into two extremes. They either give you total freedom with very little guidance, or they lock you into layouts that are hard to customize. CodeDesign AI is designed to remove that friction by giving you a strong starting point that you can actually edit and adapt. So in this video, we're going to walk through what CodeDesign AI is, how it works, and how to actually create a website from scratch step by step. Let's get into it. Let's start off with the basics and talk about what it actually is. So CodeDesign AI is an AI-powered website builder. Its main purpose is to help businesses create conversion-focused pages faster than traditional website builders. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, CodeDesign generates structured landing pages based on your business type, offer, and goal. These pages are designed to support traffic from ads, meaning they focus on speed and clarity and a single call to action. CodeDesign AI is commonly used by e-commerce brands, SaaS companies, agencies, and service-based businesses that want to run ads without sending traffic to cluttered homepages. It's especially useful for campaigns where the message needs to be tight and aligned with a specific angle. Now let's dive into some of the key features before we dive into the website builder. So one of the main features is the AI-generated website. You can go ahead and just type in exactly what you want your website to be, and then it will generate a whole page layout with heroes, headlines, supporting copy, call to action, and so much more. Another main feature is speed. Pages can be edited quickly, which just makes it so easy to build something and have it live quickly. Instead of rebuilding pages from scratch, you can adjust messaging and duplicate pages. CodeDesign AI also has a drag and drop editor, so you don't need to touch code to change text, layout, spacing, or visual elements. This is so helpful for marketers who want control without technical complexity. Now, let's go ahead and get into how to actually build your site. So if you don't already have a CodeDesign AI account, you can actually get started for free using our link down in the description below. So once you click that link, all you have to do is go ahead and add your description for the website that you want. So just using this as an example, we're going to create a clean, modern website for a local coffee shop called Driftwood Coffee. The vibe should feel warm, cozy, elevated with neutral colors, plenty of white space, and a modern cafe aesthetic. So we'll go ahead and generate, and then from here, we're going to go ahead and get signed in. You can also register your account. As you can see, we've got the model, the business name, the category, the location. Now we will just let the AI go ahead and set everything up. Okay, so once you're logged in, we'll go ahead and build with a template. You can choose a website or funnel, whatever you want to build. We'll go ahead and start with the website. Here we can see the most popular ones. So depending on what we want to go ahead and customize, you can preview any of these, which is nice. You kind of scroll around, see what you like about it. Maybe we'll use this one. Okay, you'll just add the project name. Then all you go ahead and do is let the AI customize it for it, and you have a full website good to go. Okay, now that you understand how to actually build the website, you can use a template or you can go ahead and just use AI. Let's go through some of the pros and cons so you can decide if CodeDesign AI is for you. So one of the biggest pros of CodeDesign AI is that it gives you a real starting point fast. Instead of staring at a blank page or flipping through 1,000 templates, you can describe what you're building and the platform generates a full site structure for you, including the main sections you'd normally have to plan manually. Another advantage is that it's built for people who want a website that looks modern without needing design skills. The layouts are clean, the spacing is usually solid, and it's easy to make the site feel business ready without overthinking every detail. The editor is also very approachable. You can click into sections, swap text, move elements, and adjust the layout without needing to code. That's helpful if you want control, but you don't don't want to deal with the complexity of a full web dev workflow. And if you're someone who cares about flexibility later, the ability to host and export is a big plus. A lot of builders lock you into their platform, but with CodeDesign, you have options depending on how you want to publish. Now for the cons, the biggest downside is that AI generation doesn't equal a finished website. It gets you a strong draft, but you still need to go in and refine the copy, images, and sections so it actually sounds like you and clearly explains what you do. If you rely on the default text, it can also feel a bit generic. Another limitation is that if you're super picky about custom design, you're probably going to hit some walls. It's not meant to replace a full custom coded site. It's a faster build tool, so there will be times where you want a very specific layout or interaction and the builder might not exactly act in the way that you imagined. Also, like most website builders, it's easy to keep tweaking forever, so the real value comes when you treat it like a launch tool. Get something live quickly and then improve it over time instead of trying to perfect it before publishing. Now let's go over the different plans and pricing options. So if you use our link down below, I'll just go ahead and click pricing. So they've got a couple different options here. They've got the individual, the growth, and the agency. If you want to save 20% off, I would go with the annual plan. We've got the individual plan, which is $12 a month billed annually. You get one website, 20 website generations a month, and 2 gigabytes of storage. Then you get things like free custom domain for a year, export one site, 5 site collaborators, and build sites in minutes with AI Website Builder. Keep every site safe with free SSL, and then get weekly auto backups for easy data recovery. Then we've got the growth plan, which is $24 per month, and this is 20% off with annual billing. Also, it depends on how many credits per month. This is 100 credits per month. So you can also publish 2 sites, 50 website generation a month, 10 gigabytes of storage for your files, and then you get free custom domain, 2 site code export, vibe to live, edit features, all individual plan features included, 10 site collaborators, and then advanced SEO automation. Then we've got the agency plan, which is $83 per month billed annually, and again, depends on how many credits you need. With this, you get the number of credits that you select. You can publish up to 204 sites, unlimited website generation, and 30 gigabytes of storage for your files. You also get free custom domain, highest limits for code export, all individual plan features included, agency grade multi-tenant workflow, 50 site collaborators, and more. So choose the plan that fits where you're at right now. I would highly recommend CodeDesign if you want to build a website quickly and don't want the process to turn into a 2-week design project. Makes the most sense for freelancers, creators, service providers, and small business owners who need a clean site that clearly shows what they offer, builds trust, and makes it easy for someone to take the next step, like contacting you, booking a call, or signing up. It's also a great option if you build sites for other people and you want a faster way to generate a first draft you can customize. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can generate the structure, then spend your time improving the messaging and polishing the final details. You probably shouldn't choose it if you want a highly custom brand experience where every detail is handcrafted, or if you already have a full web development setup and you prefer full control. And if you're expecting the AI to write perfect copy for your business automatically, that's just not realistic. The platform helps you build faster, but the quality still depends on you polishing it. But if your main goal is, I need a good looking website up and I want it done without the overwhelm, CodeDesign is definitely built for that. So that wraps up the full breakdown of CodeDesign AI. My honest take on this is the biggest value is speed. It helps you go from idea to real site draft fast. And that alone is huge if you've been stuck in the loop of overthinking your design layout or what your website should even look like. If you want to go ahead and check out CodeDesign AI and get started for free, don't forget to use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're new here, this channel is all about breaking down software tools in a simple way so you can build faster without the overwhelm. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.